Hello friends, you are warmly welcomed in Asia Education Point. Today I have brought for you an important and useful topic, common errors in English and their correction. As we know, errors are the most natural things for human beings. There is hardly a person who is free from errors or mistakes. Man makes mistakes in every field, and he makes mistakes in speaking and writing language also. As Alexander Pope has said, good nature and good sense must ever join. There is also a proverb that is very useful for us. To err is human, to forgive divine. Mistakes or errors have positive aspect too. They are great teachers. A wise person learns from his mistakes. We make mistakes when we speak or write English. English is a peculiar language and its peculiarities are responsible for the most mistakes to a great extent. Next, classification of mistakes. There are several kinds of mistakes or errors. Number one, using wrong words. There are many words in English that have same spellings and pronunciation, but they have different meaning. Such words are called homonyms, अर्थात भिन्नार्थक शब्द या समनाम. For example, we take light. The word light has different meanings and uses. Number one, light as a noun. Light means प्रकाश और रोशनी. In a sentence, light is not bright enough to read. Sunlight is the most natural and useful light. Number two, light as a verb. Light means जलना या सुलगाना. In sentence, I lighted a stove. Number three, light as an adjective. Light means halka in Hindi. As in a sentence, cotton is light, iron is heavy. The box is so light that you can easily carry it. There are several words that are pronounced alike, but they have different meaning or spellings. Such words are called homophones. Homophones means समध्वनिक शब्द. We take two words as son and son. Son is a common noun. It means पुत्र और बेटा in Hindi. Ramchandra was the eldest son of King Dasrath. Sun is a noun and it means Surya. The sun rises in the east. Next, number 3. Some words are used wrongly as hot and warm. Both hot and warm are adjectives. Both mean garm in Hindi, but there is a minute difference in their meaning. Hot is used for the heat that is unpleasant and troublesome. It is too hot to go out. Many persons have died in this hot weather. Warm is used for the pleasant heat. You will feel comfortable in this room because it is quite warm. Wear this sweater to keep yourself warm. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get first lesson on easy education.